Hello everyone, my name is Madison and I'm an account executive here at GoProfiles. Today I will be going over our new feature, distribution lists. In order to find our distribution list option, you will navigate the sidebar here and go down until you find distribution lists. Here I will go through all the different types of distribution lists that we currently offer. The first being all reports. So as you can see here, I can click on Austin Chug and all reports, and it will automatically create that distribution list for him and all of his reports. The other option that we have are direct reports. So as you can see, Ashley Allen and all of her direct reports, we have that option as well. That will automatically populate for you and your teams. We also have it by department, so Department of Customer Success, Department of Design, Engineering, you name it. We have that option as well. And then lastly, we have a custom or groups option. So here, as you can see, we have our GoProfiles group, which these are completely customizable. So you and your teams can create any group that you want and create that list. And then the distribution list will automatically populate here, as you can see, under the groups option. We also have the option for you to manage these lists and select which departments or manager direct reports, which ones you would like to connect or disconnect. And that is our distributions list feature. I hope you get to try it out soon. Thank you.